Hello, Shweta. Thank you so much for including me in the recent workshop of Hooponopono. Although the content was not very new to me, but still, the way you presented and the way your students received it was really so wonderful. So instead of talking about the workshop, I would like to talk about you and your qualities. You're so humble, down to earth, kind, simple, and still authoritative. You know where to be strict and where to be lenient, where to put what and how to deal. So much in love with you for that. May you be empowered more and more to spread love and light in everybody's life. Thank you.